What's up, Hustle Gang? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle and Flip. And today I'm on my way over to go look at a property that another wholesaler, well actually it was a realtor that brought this deal over to me or me to try to wholesale. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm just riding over to go take a look at it. But what I did want to talk to you about is I know I've been gone for a few days, but I've been out with COVID. I had COVID for this is probably like my 10th day. It was a rough few days, but me and my girlfriend, we made it through it. But I am about to go over here and look at this house. But what I did want to talk to you about is I made another video before explaining on how the registered agent relationship in a dealer, as far as being able to get auction access without a dealer's license. I know in that video I didn't really explain a lot of stuff the way that it was supposed to be explained, because I kind of just did that video on the fly, like just kind of like I was just riding and just thought, oh, let me explain this, and I just kind of made a video. But I'm gonna try to explain a little bit more in depth, and also to let you know that I have these opportunities if you are wanting to get into purchasing from the auction and selling as a private, basically like as a private dealer. But basically what happens is a car dealer, if I have a car dealer's license, I can basically hire out the work of going to the auction, finding cars and buying cars and bringing cars to the market. And then that relationship, what that is called is a registered agent relationship. So basically, I could hire somebody as a registered agent to go out and purchase cars from the auction. They get a transport number with the auction, all that good stuff. Situation, what happens is the person can go and purchase a car from the auction. They can pick the car up from the auction. The only thing they can't do is sign the title because they're not the dealer license holder. But basically what you do is you get a dealer tag for a year, and that dealer tag will last you for a year, and that'll allow you to put it on any car. It's fully insured. You can put it on any car. You could go to any auction, any dealer only auction, purchase the cars under our dealer's license, and at that point the auction will send us the title, and what we will do is we'll pay, we sign the title and overnight it to the agent who purchased the vehicle for themselves. And that's pretty much how the sale process works. You could be in the auction within a couple of days. Yeah, this is a great opportunity. Like I said in the other video, this is a great opportunity to get into selling cars without so much overhead off top of trying to have to get a lot and all of that stuff. So it's actually a good starting point if somebody want to either hustle up the money to start a car lot, or if they wanted to just test the waters to see if it's something that they wanted to do or whatever. But you probably want to follow my Instagram. Because I'll be dropping more often on there. I'll be letting you know more often how to get the license or whatever, or when I'm gonna be selling them. So you probably want to follow my Instagram if you're not following it already, so you'll see when I am. If you want to get one, like let's say you don't got the money to get it right now and you want to get one next month, follow my Instagram, because I'll let you know when next month I'm gonna be accepting new clients or whatever.